Hello friends, so today we're going to finish this car. We need to do a trim restore on the back side, and we need to put some ceramic coating on those headlights. Just make sure they stay beautiful. So that's what we're going to do today. We're just going to finish this car up. This is the 2013 Chrysler 200. Now first, let's look at the headlights here. Like I said, they're beautiful. Totally beautiful. That's my light shining on them, so because it's so dark in here. Now, what we want to do is we want to clean up this little mud flap that's on the car. We want to clean that up and put some Restore and Protect on it. And then this plastic trim on the back side. It's only on the back. And then this mud flap also. Alrighty friends, so there you go. We got 2 projects done with little bits that I had left. The trim, restore, and protect. This is DIY detail. We got those 3 little spots looking good. Doesn't take much. These little projects, you can charge little bits, like I said, and it doesn't take much time and it doesn't take much product, and you can make it go further. And then the ceramic coating, which is the 3-year, also DIY detail. I just put those on the headlights to make sure we keep a beautiful, beautiful look. Those headlights were in great shape to begin with. There's like no scratches, hardly any pitting or anything like that. So we got them cleaned off and got them covered. Thanks for hanging out on my channel, guys. I sure do appreciate it. And until the next video, you know how it goes. Peace.